So now we're going to do our scatter chart. Okay, so we're going to select these two. I'm going to this page. I'm going to click on insert scatter chart like this. Select data. And this one is equal to this one. Okay, then we have this. Then we're going to where the x values comes from. This one and this one come from this. Make it a bit here. I'm going to select this area. I'm going to make a border. This one. Outline. Here we are. Then I'm going to the developer ribbon, insert, select a drop down here. And for my control, the input range is calculations. This one. 𝗙𝗪𝗃𝗃𝗄𝗏. And the link is to this cell. Okay. And I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste this. And the link to this is AB. Okay, that's how we have this. Now we're going to select this 1000. Okay, so one, okay, here with the top one. Okay, of course, if we have the KPI tree, it's going to change because maximum, minimum are different than in the other cases. Okay, we will fix that. But anyway, now you know how to move this and how to create this scatter chart. Okay, let's save our example. It's ready for you to continue to if we're going to change this will change only for everyone. So if I have the KPI one that is maximum is 1, then I need to have auto. With auto, basically, I see that I have basically the scale is adapted according to the minimum and maximum size of the record. Like for example, for KPI 3, maximum is 1.2. Okay, so we to have auto. If I, for example, select KPI 2 and I make here this 1000, okay, and I'm going for KPI 3, you get this, and you click on reset, you get auto, which is the best solution. Okay.